Where's your toy, Tilly? You have to get your toy. Tilly, you're not really putting up much of a fight. There you go. Tilly, you're still being lazy. Just, she knows that I want a good video, so she's not trying to provide it all. Why? Tilly, sit. Sit. And then I'll hide this. Sit. Shake. Okay, I can't grab your hand and film at the same time. Down. Down. Get on the ground. You're bad at this. Tilly, what's that? Huh? Shake. See, you haven't forgotten that. What are you doing? What are you doing, T? Attila, what you doing? You can't bring that outside. No, you can't bring that outside. Want to say bye to the camera, T? Tilly? Tilly. Tilly said bye.